Welcome, in front of me I have Huawei P Smart 2021 NFC, and today I'll show you how you can take care of your battery. So if you want to extend the battery lifespan, at the first you have to go for the settings, and then you have to find the battery settings, and when you are here we have to scroll down and go for more battery settings. And as you can see here we can find a couple of the features. So the first, let's focus on this one, the smart battery capacity. So I can recommend you to use this one, and it will reduce how long single charge lasts, but they extend the battery lifespan. So it's very cool. And also the smart charge, we have to turn it on, so it will preserve the battery health when our device will be learning from our charging routine, and it will delay fully charging past 80% until it will be needed. And the last one, just turn off this one, stay connected while asleep, configure by tapping OK. So as you can see, the feature, it's like to keep our internet connection active even when the screen is turned off. And of course it's useful because it just drains battery more, right? So when you sleep you don't need to get connected to the internet. So I can recommend you to turn it off, and actually that's how we can extend the battery lifespan and take off your battery in Huawei P Smart 2020 NFC. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.